it's Lauren. I am so excited to be back with another Lolavie hair review. This is the Perfecting Leave-In from Jennifer Aniston's hair care line, and this is the second product that they have launched in their new collection. So this is kind of what I expected their first product to be. Instead, it was the Glossing Detangler, but this is the Perfecting Leave-In, and it is 5 ounces of product. It comes in this pump, and it's $29. So this product, as you can see, is a cream. They recommend using this in wet hair. I will say, from the perspective of a licensed professional, I have also used this in dry hair to kind of combat little fuzzies and frizzies, and I really like it. I do think less is more if you do choose to use it in dry hair. I also typically will brush through it after I've applied it, but it really does help to cut down on some frizz. So let's talk a little bit about what this product is designed to do, how it's different from the Glossing Detangler, and kind of my overall thoughts on it. So this particular product is designed to add hydration, to smooth frizz, add some protection and some style memory to the hair. So this particular formula, it has a superfruit complex and the rose of Jericho, which I thought was a very interesting thing. I don't think I've ever seen that used in hair or skin products before. So I looked it up and I wanted to know maybe why they chose that. So the rose of Jericho is actually like a shrubby type plant that essentially goes into like a dormant hibernation state, but then when it's reactivated with water, it kind of comes back to life. It's absolutely fascinating. And so the other thing to know about that particular plant is that it has a really high antioxidant count. So it's going to be really good for your hair overall. But I thought that was a very interesting ingredient added to this. Also, there is that chia extract, which is going to protect your hair and to help repair damage, similar to the Glossing Detangler. And also there is bamboo extract, which adds to that style and memory hold when you use heat on your hair. Or if you were to just style it with like, foam rollers or something overnight, it's going to help to keep that style and that structure in your hair. That kind of leads me into my next hypothesis. I am sure that we will see some volume type products coming from this line with bamboo, because bamboo is such an excellent styler to hold memory in your hair. So especially if you're using it as a volumizing product, I am willing to bet they are working on a product with bamboo for volume. I'm just going to throw that out there now. That's my prediction. This formula, it also has some squalane, which is going to help moisturize your hair. And so here's what I'll say. They designed this product to be used for all hair types. This is honestly one of my favorite type of products for the hair. I always love having something in my hair that's going to protect it, especially from heat damage, because I do like to blow dry my hair. I like to curl my hair. So as someone with some damage on her hair because she likes to change her hair color too much, I love a product like this that is going to protect my hair immediately after I get out of the shower. I also love that this has some memory hold. I washed my hair several days ago and I put a little dry shampoo in this morning, but honestly, like, it's just, my hair has stayed clean. It has stayed really soft. And the other thing I will say that I have noticed from using this product is that the very ends of my hair, where I normally get some tangles and crinkles and things like that, it has been much easier to comb through and it doesn't feel as snarly. Similarly to the Glossing Detangler, I do feel like this adds some kind of heft to your hair, almost in a thickening type property. I think it has to do with that chia seed that kind of coats the hair and makes your hair feel more plush, I think is the best way to describe it. But overall, really, really love this product. It has the same scent as the Glossing Detangler, which I love. Honestly, I love this scent so much. I wish it was even a little bit stronger, because every now and then I'll get a little whiff of my hair and I'm like thinking like, what perfume did I use today? And then I'm like, wait a minute, no, I'm smelling Lolavie. That's what I'm smelling. I think this is an amazing product, especially to protect your hair, prevent damage, really to help smooth it out. It is a true leave-in conditioner that's kind of a do-it-all type product. And I would say the other thing that I love so much about Lolavie so far is not only are there products designed to aid in styling your hair and holding on to those styles, but it's also made to nourish your hair. And I personally really love that. I never get super excited over products that are just meant to style and don't really add any additional conditioning and nourishing properties to your hair. I love products like this that really kind of go above and beyond. So this gets my stamp of approval. I love this so much. I hope that Lolavie also will come out with some travel sizes. When we went on a trip recently, I had to decant some of the glossing detangler for that trip. I love that product so much too. But I think this is kind of more suited to my hair and my needs for my hair. I like the glossing detangler too, but this is really kind of my go-to type of product. I also really hope that Lolavie will come out with a hair oil for finishing a style. That is like one of my favorite types of products. You know, fingers crossed that they're going to launch something like that, because I just love that type of product. And I really, really love this line so far. So hope this is helpful. If you've had any questions about it, or you're kind of wondering, like, is this product any good? I totally love this. I like this more than the glossing detangler, I'm going to be honest right now. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please make sure to give it a little like, a little thumbs up. Helps other people find my channel. And if you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.